Good morning, friends. This early morning session is dedicated to all the class, all the language lovers, particularly the competitive aspirants who are sitting for, Staff Selection Commission, Combined Defense Academy, National Defense Academy, and banking exam. One of the areas where the question comes in exam is the idioms and phrases and their suitable meanings and their uses. Let us see how. First of all, the question arises, why should we go for idioms and phrases? The very clear question is that idioms and phrases enhance our expressional ability, and we come to realize that we are always delivering a powerful expression. So in this series today we are taking 10 such idioms which are very popularly used in day-to-day conversation. The very first one that I would like to say is the above board. That means above board means honest and straightforward. Now above board means honest and straightforward. See, Gandhiji was above board, a man of principle, and therefore he didn't have anything to hide from the nation. He never told a lie, and he has nothing to hide from the nation because Gandhiji was above board. He was not a man to hide anything. Therefore, we can say that Gandhiji was above board, a man of principle, and had nothing to hide from anybody or from the nation. The second question is, add a new feather to one's cap. Now, your school, by achieving 100% marks and scoring distinction, all the students having scored distinction in all the subjects have added a new feather in the cap of their school. Or let us say the Oxford school students have added a new feather in their school's cap by achieving 100% result and by getting 100% marks. They have got 100% marks in some of the subjects. So by doing extraordinary performance, they have added a new feather to their school's cap. Next, and I was a pretense, dikhawa. The whole investigation in that case was an I was, because no one was found guilty. If the investigation has been carried away and no one has been found guilty, that means it was a pretense. It was simply a dikhawa. So the whole investigation was a pretense and it was just an I was, because no one has been found guilty yet. Another one, a lost ball in the weeds, completely lost or confused. He went with an accident yesterday and was in the condition of lost ball in the weeds. Now, an old flame. An old flame is a proverb which is used for love or love relationship. That is an old one. An old love relationship. That is what we call an old flame. Now, having seen his ex-beloved, he just acknowledged and remembered his old flame because long ago he was in relationship with that woman. And an old head on young soldiers, to be more matured than one's own age. He is an old head, yes, on young soldiers, as his teachers always rely on him. As fit as a fiddle, that means very healthy and strong. Having performed regular yoga, he has made himself as fit as fiddle, and therefore he always comes first in a race or in weightlifting. So he has always made himself as fit as fiddle. Assume airs, to pretend superiority. After becoming an IS officer, he has assumed airs. He has become very much superior. He's showing himself very superior. So after becoming an IAS officer, he has just been showing, or has assumed airs at large, absconding. Many of the terrorists are at large, hiding somewhere, and that therefore they are a threat to the nation. They are a threat to the nation. They are a threat to the nation. Now another five more discussions, because they are very useful. Five more discussions. At loggerheads, many jani dushmani, that is also called in Hindi jani dushmani, to be at a strike. Congress is always at loggerhead with the BJP. Even when the matter is not in their hand, they are always having contradiction with the BJP. So the way Congress, criticizes the work of BJP and puts, stones in the path of the progress of the nation, it appears that the Congress is at loggerheads with BJP. Yes, at odds, in disagreement, मतलब ये एग्री नहीं होना. Various political parties are at odds in the matter of women reservation bill. Yeah, when you are opposing some bill, you are always called at odds. So various political parties are, at odds so far as the women reservation bill is concerned. Then at sea, to be confused. He was at sea when he saw the question paper. Having seen the question paper in the exam, he was at sea. He was completely confused. एकदम बिल्कुल से कंफ्यूज हो गया क्वेश्चन पेपर देख करके. At once back and call. At service, the servants were always at as the back and call of their masters. The servants were always at the back and call of their masters. वो अपने मालिक के आज्ञा के अनुसार सर्विस कर रहे थे, काम कर रहे थे. Then another one is bank upon, depend on. You can bank upon us in this hour of difficulty. You can bank upon us in this hour of difficulty. Then another one is be in the bad books of, to be out of favor. She is always criticizing her boss, and therefore she has been in the bad book of her boss. Now, be in the driving seat, be the main person, be the important person, or to take the responsibility in one's hand. Yeah, as an honest minister, he is always in the driver's seat, and he is always taking the responsibility. Being an honest person, he is always in the driving seat, and he is always taking the responsibility. And the last two question, behind the scene. Yeah, secretly, the Maharashtra government is behind the scene, that the conspiracy they have plotted against Arnav Goswami. So the Maharashtra government is behind the scene. They are secretly harming, Arnav Goswami, and trying to disrupt his work of, reporting. And therefore they have arrested him, and they have been working behind the scene of the police. The police is doing the work, but behind the scene, the Maharashtra government is there. And the last one, below the belt, to stride unfairly. One must compete with others in a fair manner, not try to hit behind the belt. Yeah, if there are two rivals, they should not be behind the belt. They should compete with one another. They should compete with each other, but they should never show their attitude behind the belt. They should not, be rival unfairly. They should try to compete with the basis of merit. And this is the last one. Yeah, that is caught red-handed, to be caught while committing the crime. The thieves were caught red-handed by the police while they were trying to enter into a store to rob the material. So they were caught red-handed. So that is how we are summarizing. But before we conclude today's, I would just say that language is always caught, it is never taught. So even if you learn the proverb, you are supposed to use them, practice them, because unless you practice them, it will not be perpetual in your mind. So if you want to perpetuate the knowledge, you have to use them in day-to-day conversations. Am I right? So this is how we have started the proverb series. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Thanks.